Avoiding common car buying scams requires vigilance, research, and careful consideration. Here are some tips to help you steer clear of scams when purchasing a car. Research the vehicle. Obtain the vehicle's history report using services like Carfax or AutoCheck to check for any accidents or title issues. Have a trusted mechanic inspect the car to identify hidden problems. Verify the vehicle identification number. Ensure that the VIN on the car matches the one in the paperwork and the online listings. Avoid too good to be true deals. Be cautious of deals that seem too cheap or offer features that are significantly better than the market average. Meet in safe locations. Conduct meetings in well-lit, public places when meeting with sellers. If possible, bring a friend with you for added safety. Watch out for online scams. Be skeptical of online ads with low prices and sellers who avoid meeting in person. Never send money to a seller without seeing the car in person. Don't wire money. Scammers may insist on wire transfers. Never wire money to a seller. Use secure payment methods. Avoid salvage title cars. Be cautious about cars with salvage titles, as they may have hidden damage. Be wary of pressure tactics. Don't succumb to high-pressure sales tactics. Take your time to make a well-informed decision. Check the seller's ID. Ensure the seller's identification matches the name on the car's title and registration. Research the seller. Look up the seller's online presence and reviews to determine their credibility. Get everything in writing. Ensure all agreements, including the selling price and any promises or warranties, are in writing. Avoid escrow services. Beware of sellers who insist on using a specific escrow service that you're unfamiliar with. Scammers may set up fake escrow services. Don't fall for fake title services. Scammers may claim to use third-party title services. Always verify these services independently. Be cautious with out-of-state sales. Be extra vigilant when buying a car from another state. Research the laws and requirements in both states. Check for liens. Verify that there are no outstanding liens or loans on the car that you'll be responsible for after purchase. Understand the market value. Research the market value of the car make and model you're interested in to spot overly high or low prices. Trust your instincts. If something feels off or too good to be true, it's wise to walk away from the deal. Document the transaction. Keep records of all communications, documents, and transactions related to the purchase. Remember that being cautious and doing thorough research are your best tools in avoiding car buying scams. If you encounter a situation that doesn't feel right, it's better to walk away and continue your search elsewhere.